Let's talk about listings. It's crucial to ensure that your business is listed on as many relevant platforms as possible, and that key data such as your name, address, and phone number is accurate and consistent. The primary listing subtab analyzes your key information across search engines, review sites, directories, and social media platforms, showing whether your business information is accurate, containing possible errors, or is not found. We're matching the sites with the business information provided in this section at the top. If you notice any errors in the details, simply click Edit to make changes. To correct or claim listings, click the drop-down menu, then Edit or create your listing. This will take you to the source where you can log in or create an account. Once you're done, you can paste the URL of your newly found listing here or wait 24 hours for the software to update the details. As you update and claim listing sources, your overall listing score will improve. We've identified the most important business directories and assigned scores to each site based on its popularity. This research has led to a score that accurately reflects the ever-changing local search environment and continues to adapt over time. Aim to surpass your industry's average and strive for the 95th percentile. More well-known sources, such as Google and Facebook, will give you more points, so prioritize correcting those first. Next, let's look at the Citations subtab. Citations include all websites that display your business's phone number, often found on smaller hyperlocal and industry-specific sites. Our system pulls in tons of interesting information, so it's worth exploring. Finally, the Listings subtab will allow you to choose which listing sources you want to manage within your primary listings tab by selecting or deselecting the checkboxes next to the listing source.